Yeah.
I'm doing a private job,
Okay.
and I started like just looking at the stock market, say last November, December.
Okay.
So very fresh and new, trying to just understand all the nuances,
Okay.
call options, and just trying to. I got a very limited capital, like
Okay.
around say 50, 60K to start with.
Okay.
And yeah, I saw your videos. I went through your what do you call that curriculum, right?
Okay.
Quite impressive actually. Yeah, yeah, it gives me a bit of direction, a bit of confidence
Okay.
to kind of look at uh, some of the charts. So
Okay.
I'm associated with the Upstocks, Zerodha, and Angel Broking. I
Okay.
know you were kind of emphasizing on having an account with IIFL. I've not been able to do that yet,
No, no, that's
but
fine.
so that's a brief introduction about myself. Where are you
Okay.
located, Vinay? Are you in
I am
Bangalore?
in Bangalore. So where are you from?
I'm from Mumbai.
Mumbai. Okay. Okay.
Yes.
So yeah, since you are starting your career into stock market, so have you been trading in equity or futures or any other thing, or you just directly ventured into options?
No, no. So I did try to do a bit of trading in say Dr. Reddy's, Ultratech Cement, a couple of those stocks,
In
just trying to
equity.
see the movements in equity. Yeah, in equity.
Okay. Okay.
I just try to look at the movements going up and down, do some paper trade.
Okay.
Uh, where I got a very limited capital, because of I'm just doing a job, and also I have to like be very careful and mindful of those things.
Okay.
And I did a little bit of trades in Nifty and Bank Nifty as well.
Okay.
Nifty is
Uh,
a bit very risky. I see the volatility is like up and down. So problem is that I know it's like I feel it's more like a short market at the moment, bearish market. But
okay.
I don't have that much capital to kind of because when you do short, you have to have that margin money, right? So
Correct.
that is something I'm lacking at the moment. So I'm
Okay.
just waiting, when the market goes a bit up, and if you can help me as to if the market goes a little on a bullish side with a little bit limited capital, how can I jump in, make some good profit and stuff like that.
Okay. So Amar, so since you told me you are trading with the Zerodha and Upstock, so that is totally fine. Okay, because I would suggest anyone with a capital of more than 5 lakh or 10 lakh to come under my franchisee, because it will not make sense if you are in under my franchisee if your capital is below 5 lakhs at least. Okay. So Zerodha is a wonderful tool. They have a wonderful mobile application. They have a wonderful brokerage, transparent brokerage system. So you need not change your broker for now. Okay. So stick with Zerodha. And since you told me that your capital is around 50 to 60,000 for now, so I wouldn't suggest you to venture into options at the moment. Okay. So you can stick in equities, because let me tell you some harsh truth. The fact is, this FNO trading is really dangerous. Okay. And
Yeah.
this is a capital driven game. Okay. It's a fact. Okay.
Mhm.
So if I wouldn't suggest anyone to enter futures and options trading if your capital is less than at least 3 to 4 lakhs, at least 2 to 3 lakhs to start with.
Oh.
Okay.
Mhm.
So to start with, it's better you start when you have at least 2 to 3 lakhs in options trade. And whenever you are trading in options, make sure you follow the rules strictly. Make sure your risk is always defined. Okay. So now I think you know the concept of call and put and all these things, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I know.
Okay. So I
I
would
just wanted to
suggest.
understand in that. I had a question. When you talk about call, I know you mentioned something about Greeks, right? You have
Correct.
those Rho, Vega, stuff like that. When
Yeah.
the time decay and all. So how do we? When you look at the charts of that, how do you like? Uh, I know we normally look at a Nifty chart, and
Hmm.
you see that the trend is going up and down, right?
Correct.
But then how do we kind of calculate the Greeks? So it's one of my
Greeks,
questions.
there is a separate tool called Options Oracle. I think in one of my video, I have also told about that. Okay. So it's a free tool. You
Options
can
Oracle.
download it from, it's from a website called Pasi Technology. Okay. So you can download that tool. It's a free tool,
Sorry,
and
which technology? Which technology?
Pasi Technologies, PASI. So let me just
Passive,
type in here.
passive. Okay.
Yeah, just my options on. Yeah, you can
I
just
know there was
go.
one thing you showed in Obsta inside
Ah,
edge. Is that the one?
no,
That is.
that is for checking the payoff graph, the obstacle. Okay. So there
Okay.
is another tool called Options Oracle, which I just pinged you. So this is from a company called Pasi Technology. Okay.
Okay.
And since you are new, I wouldn't suggest you to buy or subscribe to any of the paid tools. Okay, there is enough free content in the market, so don't go for any tools or anything. But in order to get started in option, you should have at least 2 to 3 lakh and initial capital where you can trade slightly risk free. Okay. So since you are in job, I would say you save for probably another 6 months or 1 year, where you can get around 1 to 2 lakh in your hand, and then you can get started with options. And since you are also into job, you should be doing this on a passive basis, because you cannot dedicate time in front of the system and trade full time in front of the system, right?
No, I cannot. That's
Okay.
true.
So
Yeah.
make sure you have a decent return expectation from the market. Okay. So in market, see, the stock market is a place where you can even double your money, and at the same
Mm.
time you can even lose your entire money. Okay.
I
It
know.
depends
Yeah.
on how much
That's very
risk.
very true.
Correct. So it depends on how much risk you
Yeah.
bring to the table. Okay. So since your capital is small, if you take even slightly more risk, see, in today's world, to be frank, 50, 60,000 is not a very huge money where you will, which will change your entire lifestyle. Okay. But yes, I agree, 50, sixty
Right.
thousand is a good amount, but you can afford to take slightly more risks in market. Okay. So to start with, I would suggest you start with equity trading, invest in good equities for some time. And in your job over time, for the next 6 months, make sure you make some saving and arrange at least 2 to 3 lakhs. Then you can get started with
Okay.
options trading. And when you are starting with options
Got
trading, okay, always make sure that you trade in risk defined strategies, and don't worry about which
it.
strategy to start with and all those things. The more things you know, the more you will get, more your life becomes complicated. So don't complicate things.
Mm.
So in my tutorial, I have taught two strategies. One is butterfly and one is iron.
Butterfly and ironfly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
these two are very good for getting started. Okay. So
Mm-hmm.
don't worry. There's no point in learning 100 strategies and then getting confused in which strategy to apply. So these two
Mm-hmm.
strategies are risk defined. Very good. I have designed this course keeping the new traders who are coming to the market in mind. Okay.
Okay.
So, but and let me tell you, this is exactly the same process which I followed when I started. Okay. I did not concentrate on 100 strategies. It's better to start with one strategy, master that, and then probably move to the other ones. Right.
Okay. So
Okay.
one question I had is relating to the you normally see breakouts, right? They talk about breakouts. So what exactly is that? I mean, when say when the amount is above a candle, going above and
Hmm.
going below the candle, that becomes a breakout, is it? I mean, that's how you can kind of
No. See,
define a trend.
correct. So there is no absolute definition of what a breakout is, but let me tell you what a breakout is. So usually what happens, uh, the fact is 80% of the time market moves sideways. Okay. So when I say sideways, it means it will be moving in a range. Okay. So now
Right.
you can see Nifty is moving in a range between 14,500 and 15,000. So it has been in this range for a very long time. Okay. In the last at least for few weeks. Okay.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
okay. So now this becomes a range. So any movement out of this range is considered as a breakout. If it trades below 14,500, they tell that the range is broken and there has been a breakout. And if it trades above 15,000, then they say that there's a breakout above 15,000. Now, how do you define
Mhm.
this range? it depends on individuals. Some people see weekly chart, some people see monthly chart, some people see daily chart. So there are n number of ways, and everyone will have a different range. Okay, so the breakout is when
Mm-hmm.
the Nifty or any stock for that matter, when it trades above or below that range, and if it breaks that with a good volume. Okay, so whenever breakout happens, it should break with a huge volume. That's when they consider that the range has been broken, there has been a breakout, and the trend will continue. That is how breakout, and based on that, people take trades. So once
You have
if
to look at the volume, is it?
yes, because see, now let's say we are seeing a weekly chart or monthly chart. Okay,
Mhm.
I am not the only one who is seeing this. There will be a lot of people who will be seeing this. Okay, and once there is, and now everyone has a range of 14,500 to 15,000 as their range. Okay, and
Mhm.
when 15,000 is broken on the upside, there will be a lot of people who will be buying. Okay, and when there's a lot of people who will be buying, volume is the only indicator which shows that most of the people have the same point of view. Okay, and when
Mhm.
this happens, the trend is most likely to continue in the same direction. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so this is what is a breakout range what we have. So based on this, people have
Okay. Okay.
various
Got it.
strategies. But again, sometimes you may even get a false breakout. Okay, so just because I am seeing a daily candle doesn't mean that the world is
Perfect.
seeing the daily candle. Okay, so there is no specific method or a way to find out whether you should check it in weekly candle or monthly candle or daily candle or 5 minute candle or 10 minute candle or whatever. It depends on personality to personality, and people based on their experience they take these trades. Okay, so this is a
Yeah,
breakout.
one more question I had was relating to the scalping. How do you kind of do that scalping?
Again, scalping is, as you told, for example, now 15,000. I'm just giving you an example. Nifty has a range of 14,500 to 15,000. Okay. Now there is a breakout happened. There is a breakout which has happened, and you are confident that after 15,000 it will go to probably 15,000 100 or 15,200 or whatever. In that case, what you do, you buy the call option, and within minutes, when market shoots up, the call premium will increase. You exit the call option and book the profit. So scalping
Yeah.
is usually done on an intraday basis, and in that intraday basis, they usually, most of the traders whom I know, they keep an eye on 3 minute and 5 minute chart, or sometimes even 15-minute chart. Okay, and they come out with the range, and whenever there is a range breakout, they buy the call or they buy the put, and within few minutes, when there is a massive movement on the same direction, the premium increases, they exit their position within minutes. But it is a very risky game because it is not as easy as it sounds here. But
Mhm. Yeah, I know. The
yeah,
volatility is huge, and
exactly, exactly,
the thing is that you don't know the trend, right? I mean,
exactly,
how do you gauge the trend that is going up,
exactly,
down,
correct,
and
correct.
you may just make a big profit or a big loss also. So I know
Correct,
it's a
correct.
big.
So it is a very risky game if you ask me, because I'm not into scalping. But yes, there are a lot of people who do that. So I don't say that it is a wrong method of trading or not, but you really need a good experience in doing that. And at the same time, you should be able to judge the market movement exactly, accurately. Okay, that's
Yeah,
when you
the trend is something that is a bit difficult to gauge. That is the
exactly. So
main thing,
that's
right?
why
I mean,
I don't get into this game. And most of the scalpers, what they do, it's like a hit out or get out for them. Okay. So I some of the scalpers whom I know, they have an initial capital of 20 to 25 lakhs in their account. But on
oh,
a daily, sorry,
no, 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 go on. Yeah.
yeah,
I got it.
yeah, they have a capital of 20 to 25 lakhs, but they don't deploy the entire 25
Yeah.
lakhs. Their aim, they deploy
Mhm.
only 2 lakhs on a trade, and their aim is to make the 2 lakh into 4 lakh, 6 lakh, or 8 lakh in a month. and they are ready to lose the entire 2 lakh. So it's like a hit out or get out. So they either lose the entire 2 lakh or they make the 2 lakh into 6 lakh or 8 lakh. And once they lose the 2 lakh, the next, they take the next 2 lakh from their account which they have. So this is the way
Yeah,
how.
there are those who have surplus money, they can do all those things,
Exactly,
obviously.
exactly. So as I told you, it's a very risky game and it's not definitely not for beginners. Okay, you need a lot of
So if
experience.
I have to like just start in some equity, say do some intraday in equity, which one do you suggest? I mean, say tomorrow is Monday, right? If I want to do something tomorrow itself with the capital, limited capital I have, what do you suggest? What should I do?
See, equity again, see now market is in an uptrend. Okay. So you now tomorrow there's a huge chance that there is going to be a gap up in Nifty. So in that case, you can buy any of these Nifty driven stocks like Reliance, SBI, HDFC Bank, HDFC, or these ITC, or Hindustan Unilever. So there are a lot of these Nifty 50 stocks. So I would say you start with Nifty 50 itself for now, because other stocks there is a lot of other complications in mid cap and small cap. So start with Nifty 50 stocks. And I, if you ask me, I wouldn't suggest you to do trading in equity. Okay. So what I would suggest you is to invest in stocks. Okay. Identify some of the good stocks, invest. You told you have 60-70,000. So probably you can identify 3 to 4
Yeah.
stocks and make an investment of 20-30,000 in each. Okay. And
Okay.
probably in another 6 months or 5 months, see if you can get that another 2 lakh, which you can, with which you can start options trading. So with options trading, what
Okay.
the benefit is, you, and since you are in Zerodha, you need not even bring the cash. So tomorrow, if you bring, if you can get another 1 or 2 lakh, you can even buy quality stocks in that as well and pledge that with Zerodha. So when you pledge that with Zerodha, Zerodha will be giving you the margin with which you can trade. So the return which you get will be from the stocks which will appreciate. Also, you will be making a decent money in your options trading as well.
In Zerodha, you have this GTT, right? GTT, you know what exactly
Yeah,
is a
GTT
GTT
is
trade?
like putting a stop loss for a long time. See, now if you put a stop loss order for a day, by the after 3:30, if it is not executed, it will be cancelled. Okay, whereas GTT means the
Right.
stop loss order will be carried for a longer time, for a week, for a month, or whatever time you decide.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. I think this is helpful. Yeah.
Okay, so but again, it's not as because if there is a gap up or gap down, then there's a high chance that your stop loss, I mean, the GTT order will get executed. Even if it gets executed, it will not be at the rate what you specify. Okay,
Okay.
okay, so
So suppose
so
if I want to buy Reliance, if I put a GTT trade,
uh,
and then I have to put a stop loss. It is at 2000. So I put a
correct,
stop loss of say 1900,
correct.
right? So there if the amount reaches there, it'll like
Execute and
just
close the trade. Yes,
that is GTT trade.
exactly. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So in I think in what do you call you're saying options, or we can also do intraday as well as delivery, right? We can kind of, and you were talking about those strategies where you can carry forward and then do
Exactly.
the
So
adjustments and all that.
correct. So that's what,
Mhm.
to get started with these strategies, I wouldn't suggest you to get started with when your capital is less than 2 lakhs at least. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Most of the strategies, I mean, the two strategies which I have discussed, the butterfly and ironfly, it is positional trade. So it is not an intraday trade. So you can, since you are a working person, professional, so you can
Yeah.
deploy the strategies and you can, I mean, and there's not much involvement which is there in the, your involvement is there. So on a Friday evening, you deploy the strategies and you can forget it. I mean, not forget it completely, but you need not check each and every tick or
Yeah.
every
Yeah.
minute. Okay, probably once in 2 hours or once in 3 hours, you just have a look at it, see what is the position of
Yeah.
your trade, and if there is any adjustment required, you may have to do an adjustment. And this can be done by a working professional. I'm sure in your work you can carry a mobile. So at least once in 2 hours, it shouldn't be difficult for you to
Yeah,
just
yeah,
open your mobile and have a look at it, right?
yeah. I can do that.
Correct. So whereas there are some intraday trades also which I have discussed, but I wouldn't suggest you to do that because you are a working professional. And whenever you are
Yeah,
doing intraday, your involvement should be there in front of your laptop, okay, or your mobile or whatever, okay. So don't even
got
think of doing intraday trade when you are working. But whenever you do these professional, positional trades, it is good enough. You will be able to make around 1 to 2% on a weekly basis. So in a week, if you can
okay,
do 2% on a month on your capital, you will be making around 6 to 8% on a monthly basis.
got it,
Okay.
got it.
But let me tell you, don't get carried away by people who tell you that they will double your money every month or every week. Let me tell you,
No,
it's
no,
not possible. Okay. If you can make
no,
6%
no, no.
a week, a month, then let me tell you, it is the wonderful return which you can get. Okay. So don't fall for the greed of
No,
where
no, I
people
know
tell
this is
you.
a very, yeah,
Okay. So
yeah.
aim,
I saw a video on that.
okay, make sure your aim is to
Sure, go on.
make around 5 to 10% on a monthly basis. Okay, not more than. If you can make this
Hmm.
consistently, you will
Right.
gradually scale your capital. And when you scale your capital, 5 to 10% is really wonderful money. On top of that, you will not be, see, as I told you, you will be buying, you can buy mutual funds, you can buy equity, you can buy ETFs or whatever financial instruments you want. You can pledge that with a broker. And on top of that, if you are making 10%, for example, I have invested in an instrument called Bharat Bond. Are you aware of that?
Sorry, Bharat,
Bharat Bond.
which one?
Bharat Bond.
No, I don't know. No,
I,
Bharat bond. I've not heard of it.
okay.
The
So
government bond, is it?
yeah, exactly. It's not government bond. It's like a mutual fund. Okay. So let me just give you
Hmm.
1 second. Okay.
Yeah,
So
I'll Google it. That's okay.
yeah, that's fine. So yeah, it's like a mutual fund basically. And yeah, 1 second.
No problem.
Okay, I'm sorry for that. Okay.
Is that your kid? Do you have kids?
Yeah, that was my daughter. Okay.
Do you
So
happen to come to Mumbai now, or COVID is restricting you? Do you travel around? Or
before I used to come to Mumbai and other cities, but yes, especially in Mumbai, the cases are going up drastically. So I have no plans of coming to Mumbai for now, at least.
I was in Bangalore, I think last year. One of my cousin lives over there in
Okay.
Bangalore. So me and my wife, we had gone to I mean, we had gone for a wedding in Hyderabad. Then
Okay.
from there, we went to Tirupati for darshan.
Okay.
And then I just stayed over one night at my cousin's place. I don't
Okay.
exactly remember which area that is, but he stays in Bangalore. So that was
Okay.
my first time I visited last year.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay. That's what. Next time when you
it's a
come, you
nice
can just
place.
let me know. Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay. But yeah, I wouldn't suggest any one of you to travel because of this COVID thing which is going
yeah.
on.
Now so it's a bit.
Now that's what. So it's
Mumbai,
better.
Maharashtra is really not good at the moment.
Exactly. Yeah. Even
We
Mumbai.
have like around 8,
Are,
9,000 cases every day in Mumbai.
correct. Correct.
Maharashtra is like around 40,000. So we are all
Correct.
like, a bit
True. True.
staying at home only now. Yeah,
Yes, we see that in the news. So I prefer not to travel during these times. Okay.
yeah.
So now to summarize, I'll just give you an action item. So since your capital is limited to within a lakh, so what is the probability of you increasing your capital to 2 to 3 lakhs? I mean, how long do you think you may need for scaling your capital?
I think it might take 5, 6 months. I think if you're saying like 6 to 10 months, and depending how successful my trades also happen, right?
Okay.
I mean, if they have to, I mean, with whatever I have, it should be successful to kind of get some return as well. So I don't know,
Correct.
maybe 5-6 months.
No, that's fine. You take your time, but keep that in your mind. So you may have to cut down your spending or whatever, but make sure. See, this is not a one-day game. Okay, as I told you, it's a long-term game which you
Yeah.
have to develop. Okay, so this stock market, as I told you, if you are a trader, you are a trader for life. I think I have told this
Right.
in my video also. You just
Yeah.
correct. So even if you make a loss, you will be in this market. Even if you make profit, you are going to be in this market for your life. So don't think of making quick money. It is not possible. I don't know anyone who has made quick money in this market and have exited from the market. I don't think I know anyone.
Got it.
Okay, so just make sure you start with the process, develop a process, do it consistently, and make sure you have a decent expectation from the market. Don't have a huge expectation like doubling the money, and those things never work. Okay, yes, it might work here and there, but again, in the long run, you can't replicate that model. That's what I'm trying to tell.
Correct.
Okay, maybe you might double your money in one trade or two trade, but can you guarantee me that your every trade you will be able to double your money?
No, you can't get it. No,
And
it's not
one bad trade is enough to wipe you out of the market.
Correct.
Okay. So have a decent expectation, and in options is a very beautiful instrument. You can consistently make 5 to 10% of your capital on a monthly basis. Okay, so if your capital is around 2 to 3 lakh, and if you are able to make 10%, it is approximately 20 to 25,000 on a monthly basis. Okay, so that should be your mindset before you get into trading.
Objective.
Okay, yeah, exactly. So that should be your objective, that should be your mindset, that should be your approach towards the market as well. Okay, so have this approach, and since your capital is low, I wouldn't suggest you to get into options now at least. So invest in good quality stocks, the top nifty stocks. Okay, maybe 3 or 4 with your 60,000 capital, and if in your next, make sure try to make 2 to 3 lakh try to arrange 2 to 3 lakh capital in probably next 4 months. Keep this as a target, and once you have the capital, you can invest that in mutual funds or stocks. Give that as collateral to Zerodha. Zerodha will give you the margin. Using that margin, start with butterfly. I would suggest you to start with the butterfly strategy, which I have discussed. Okay, it is start with one set. I don't want you to do 100 sets. Start with one set. Do it consistently for 2 months. You have 8 weeks in 2 months. 8 consecutive weekly options. You do butterfly for 8 consecutive weeks. You will understand how the strategy works, how option premiums change with stock movement, with Nifty movement, with Bank Nifty movement. So when you learn this, probably after that, you can scale it by adding more capital or by increasing your number of trades. Okay. So this, okay, so keep this as your step. Yes, it will take another 4-5 months, but that's okay. This market was there 100 years back. It will be there for another 100 years also. Okay, but the question is whether will you be there in this market or not. Okay, that is the thing which you have to decide. Okay, because many people who came here thinking that they will become rich overnight are now out of the market. They are not there in the market. Okay.
I mean, slow and steady wins the race. That's a good mantra.
Sorry?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, there's a saying, right? Slow and steady wins the race. So
exactly. Yeah, exactly.
I mean,
slow and steady wins the race. True. 100%.
The thing is, like, people like who do job and all, it's a hard-earned money, right? It's not like money flowing simply. So we have more value towards that. We don't want to just lose it for So yeah, you can take. I'll take my time. So be patient. Do some paper trades like you had mentioned in the videos. Then if there is anything, I can probably try to connect with you if you have any questions. If you're okay with that.
True. You have my WhatsApp number. You can connect with me anytime if you have any doubt. And see, in this market, capital protection should be the number one priority, then making money. Okay. So you protect your capital. If not today, then probably in few days you will, in some time you will be able to make return. But if you lose your capital, then you are out of the market. Okay.
Right. I get.
So
Okay,
now,
when I think
yeah, can you just tell me what was your, how did you feel about the course? So, is there anything which was difficult to understand, or was it too easy? Was there anything else which was required? So, can you just tell me what did you feel about the course?
I think your courses were pretty good. I could understand everything pretty clearly. I mean,
Oh,
obviously there were a lot of things. Now I don't recollect everything, but the mindset part and all the what do you call, each and every what do you you know different kind of tools and dimensions that you showed were
correct,
useful. Probably if one person will have somebody will have to just take a revision of the course as well. I feel
okay,
because there's a lot of information, but I think it was pretty good, useful information. I
okay,
remember you showed that butterfly iron fly strategies in that
correct,
you do 154, right?
correct.
154 in
155.
butterfly. Yeah. So I remember those things, but I think yeah, your course content was pretty good
Okay.
to start with. It.
Okay. So, I mean, what was that aha moment which you had in the course? So, was it the strategy, or was it the mindset, or what was that thing which blew your mind and where you felt, yes, this is what exactly I wanted?
Yeah, I mean those two strategies, those were like wow, this is great. The payoff strategies which you showed. That thing comes to my mind immediately when I think about. Uh,
Okay.
and then I think you showed about some trading psychologies as well,
Correct.
right? A couple of psychologies. I don't remember them, but I think there was some. You use some powerful words which kind of stick to the mind,
Correct.
and so yeah, those couple of things offhand I can remember right now.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So, yeah, I think I have given you the process which I believe you will follow them. Okay. So, as you know, slow and steady wins the race. Stick in this market. Start. You are in the right path now. Yes, your capital is small. That is fine. So nobody is born with the huge capital, but 60,000 is a good capital for getting started in equity market. So invest in stocks, quality stocks like HDFC Bank, Reliance, Hindustan Unilever. So these are some of the stocks which you can identify, invest in them. So in another 3 to 4 months, may keep this as a target, and it is achievable. Okay. So in today's world, 2 lakh is not some, is not a very huge money, which is not at all possible. Okay. Probably you will have to cut down in your spending. Probably you will have to cut down in your shopping list. And with few sacrifices, I think in another 3 to 4 months, if you are really serious and dedicated, you should be able to get that. Okay. So that should
Sure.
not, okay, that should be possible,
Yeah.
and I hope you will do that. Once you do that, and as you told, this is not your free money, this is the money which you have got for working day and
Yeah.
night in your job. So
Mhm.
don't simply get carried by the greed of making quick money in this business, which is not possible.
Yeah.
Okay.
Right.
And your main motto objective should be to save your capital, then making profit. It's okay if you don't make
Right.
profit also, it's okay, but your capital should be protected. Okay. And whenever, uh,
Risk management, right? So that is also quite useful. I mean, I remember.
correct.
Yeah.
Okay. So, and the beauty of this butterfly strategy is, yeah, when you do it in one set, even in the worst case scenario, you will not be losing more than 15 to 20,000 rupees. Yes, 15 to
Okay.
20,000 is a great money, is a big money itself.
Mhm.
I'm not telling it's a small money, but
Yeah.
you know on day one that even in the worst case, I'm not going to lose more than 15,000 rupees. Okay, so you don't
Right.
have any surprises in when you're trading. Okay,
Hmm.
so
Okay.
on day one you are aware that जाएगा तो 15,000 ही जाएगा, उससे ज्यादा कुछ नहीं
Mhm.
जाएगा. So
Right.
your mind is set now that 15,000 is the max I can lose. Now you start
Correct.
making adjustment or doing any other things in order to reduce that 15,000. And if you can come out in profit, nothing greater than that. But even if
Right.
you can reduce that 15,000 loss from 15,000 to 5,000 or 2,000 by doing some adjustment, even that is great. That is okay. See, you have to
Right.
take the risk. Okay.
Yeah.
There is no strategy where there is no risk and huge reward. Okay.
Yeah.
The-
I
not
understand
just
that.
in
I
stock
mean,
market, in any business or any field for that matter. You
this
have to
is,
take
I mean,
a
all
calculated.
trades may not be successful. Yeah.
Correct. So you
Yeah.
have, you should take a small calculated risk, and if you can get some good reward, nothing better than that, right?
Right.
Okay.
No, that makes
So
sense. Yeah.
correct. Yeah. So I hope you will be doing these steps what I just told you. So is there anything else you want to ask or tell me?
Not right away, Vinayak, but yeah, if there's anything, I'll message you on your WhatsApp and
Good.
just take your help if anything.
Okay. Okay, Amar.
Thank you so much for your time.
Yeah,
Really
it was
useful.
nice talking to you. So all the best for your trading. You have just entered trading.
Yeah.
So I am sure I'll be waiting. I also do something called Hall of Fame, where my students, I will be interviewing students who have made some good returns. So I will be definitely waiting for your message for the day where you have made your first 1 lakh profit from stock market. Okay. I hope that day comes very soon, probably
Sure,
at
sure.
least in 2021. Okay.
Okay.
All the best for you. So I'll be waiting for you.
Thank you so much.
Cool. Yeah. Yeah. Take care.
Sure. Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you. Take care.
Yeah. Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Bye.